guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be how I glue and install my wigs. I haven't worn a wig in like 6 months, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm just gonna try it out anyways. So if you're interested in this video, let's get right into it. First of all, I know my hair's not cane rolled. I can't cane roll hair. Like, I just learned, to be honest, let me not lie, I just learned how to cane roll on like a dolly head. Let me actually show you guys quickly. So guys, this is the wig head that I bought on Amazon that I'm trying to learn how to cane roll. Don't mind these braids, they've been in for like 3-4 months, so they look horrible. I need to practice again. So I'm not really confident cane rolling my own hair yet, so I'm gonna learn on this for the meantime. So if you're interested in this wig head and you can't cane roll like me, I'm gonna leave the details right below so you can buy yourself one. It's quite affordable, so I definitely recommend getting it to learn, because yeah, every black girl needs to know how to cane roll. I'm just gonna take out the bun for now, and I'm just gonna, I already put some product in it, so I'm just gonna add some gel and I'm gonna slick it back and make it as flat as possible. Made this wig myself a couple months back. The hair's actually really nice quality. I've just straightened it, but I've not done the front yet. I bought the bundles separate elsewhere, and the frontal is from somewhere else as well. I can't remember the name of it. The bundles are actually from Mink Hair Weaves, but the frontal is from some shop, like some lady shop. I'll try to link it down below. I've washed and conditioned it, I've straightened it, and yeah, now I'm just gonna style it again. And you know, it's got no foundation on it, so I'm just gonna put the foundation in it now. So sorry guys, I'm not actually sweating, I'm actually using the water can spray to spray myself because I'm just too hot. But and my fan broke, I don't have a fan right now, so yeah. So I'm just gonna comb the hair away from my face. I feel like I could do my baby hairs better on my own natural hair, but I'm just trying my best. This part does take long. Like when I'm doing my own natural baby hairs as well, it does take me a while. It's easier, but it does take me a while because I like my baby hairs to look perfect. So on a wig now, it's a bit harder. So I've just packed it up, I've just straightened it, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna fix the my parting just to make it a little bit more straight. I'm just gonna take some concealer and try and get it as straight as possible. Okay. Just to not spray it too close, I'm just going to spray from make it a bit more straight. I don't know if I can see a difference there. Okay, I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. Guys, I've just finished my makeup, and this is the finished look. Well, not the finished look yet because I haven't styled my hair. So I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, we need to fix this. My hand is just sliding. It's just so hot. I can't even curl my hair properly. But this is the finished look, guys. So yeah, this is what the finished look is. I feel like I did an okay job. I haven't worn a wig in like 6 months. But yeah, if you like it, I'm gonna leave all the details for this hair below. I actually made this wig myself, so guys, I just think I did alright. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.